Hi, my name is Chef Stephanie Brewster, and I am from George Brown College. This is my first time in India, and I'm having a great time. This is a new experience for me and for the students as well. So this program, or this course that we're doing today, is all pastry management. So it's pastry techniques that are very new to the students. They've had some exposure to breads and doughs in the past, but we are basically preparing a lot of traditional French pastries in this course. Last week we did cookies, which was sort of new to them, butter cookies, traditional French butter cookies. They had a great time trying to understand different techniques like the creaming method, handling their dough in a very humid, warm setting. So it's been a great experience for them overall. So it really is starting to build on a lot of principles that they learned in their first year. By the end of second year, they should be very high standards as far as leaving the kitchen. And as they start to prepare to go to George Brown College next year, I'm trying to maintain a certain level of professionalism and work ethic in them and get them to work faster and more efficiently as a team and individually.
Do you remember 7 weeks ago how I yelled at you all? Like, do you remember? And now you're putting out a product like this. I am so incredibly proud. I am so incredibly proud. It just made my whole life. It made my whole time here.